Psalms 139. It talks about how you're made and who made you. I don't care what you look like. I don't care if you're round. I don't care if you're thin. I don't care if you're yellow, red and yellow, black or white. We are all what? Precious in God's sight. And once we realize who we are and how to be all that God has called us to be. And sometimes we're going to run against some things. Even Jesus ran up against a lot of things with the Pharisees. They wanted to know who he was and who gave him the authority to do what he was doing. They said, that's just Joseph's son. He's just a carpenter. You know, but you don't know who you really are in God. Amen, amen. So this is for the young people, for Marsha Regan. Even as I was talking, she even gave a little testimony just last week before we left about how she was being sort of like bullied, wanting to fight her because of her looks and all this stuff. You know what? Jealousy is cruel as the grave.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
And when you are different, that makes a difference. It makes a difference because you don't do all the things that they're doing. They're trying to pressure you to have sex. They're trying to pressure you to commit crimes. But when you stand up for what's right, you're different. And they want to know why. They come to you, the young people, and ask you, young people ask you, you have not had sex yet? What is wrong with you?
No, I'm saving myself up.
No, what's wrong with you?
That's right.
And we have got to get, you don't get yourself backed up in no corner, young people, old people.
That's for righteousness.
Because we got some silly old people too. Well,
they don't want to say
we got some people that want to be just as young as grandmothers that want to be young like the Hoppers.
Lord.
But God said, you're supposed to teach the young people. You're supposed to be able to teach them how to dress, how to carry themselves. Not to get out here and try to outdo them to get their man. Amen. How to be all God called you to be. And even in Jeremiah, the 1st chapter, it talks about God said, I knew you. Even when you was in your mother's womb, he said, I knew you. So I'm telling you, young people, God already know you. God already know your destiny. God already know what he has in store for you. So what you got to do is stay on track. You can't waver to the left nor to the right, even though it seems like you might be worn down, even though it might seem like the enemy beat you down with everything he got. You just hold fast. Hold fast and know that your change is coming. Know that help is on the way.